product in particular time or in correct time or in right time, then the customer relationship will be improved, because the customer will be satisfied. And if the due date is in 15 days and the product is delivered in 15 days or 14 days or 13 days, then definitely there is customer relationship will definitely improved. Okay. Then efficient utilization of working capital. Efficient utilization of working capital, that means the products which are in our stock, the utilization of those products should be done in proper manner. Efficient utilization, that means the inventory is in stock, but the utilization should be done in efficient manner, so that the total investment, financial investment will be less. Okay. So, by doing the inventory control process, the utilization of working capital is properly done, efficiently done. That is the advantages or benefits of our inventory control. That means we are utilizing our resources in proper manner, then minimize losses, minimizes loss. Okay. So, definitely our aim of this inventory control to reduce the financial investment and to improve the profit. So, if we are doing the inventory control process in proper manner without any problem or without any particular issues, then definitely the loss will be minimized. Then economy in purchasing. Okay. Obviously, if inventory control is properly done, the company is purchasing some parts from outside or market or other industries, then definitely there is economy in purchasing will happen. Okay. Then eliminate the possibility of duplicate ordering. Okay. So, that is the most important point. This, by doing this inventory control, we can eliminate the possibility of duplicate ordering. That is the big issue of industries, and that can be resolved by the doing this inventory control. Okay. So, these are the benefits of inventory control. The most important points are uninterrupted production process, that is production line is clear, there is no interruption. Then timely delivery of product is carried out, that means the customer, that means these all are related. That means suppose customer is putting a order today and he needs to receive the order within 1 month. Okay. That means if the company has its inventory in proper condition or inventory control is carried out in proper manner, then definitely the timely delivery of that product will be carried out. If the timely delivery of the product will be carried out, then customer will be definitely satisfied, and if the customer is satisfied, then there is no negative remarks from the customer, negative review from the customer. If there is no negative review from the customer, then that means the company is improving the customer relationship, which is the most important point for any kind of business. So, if the customer relationship will be improved, so definitely the financial investment will be lost and profit will be more. That is the benefits of inventory control. Clear? So, coming to our next slide, which is our most important parts of this chapter, because later we will study about the economic order quantity, and this to understand the economic order quantity, we all should understand this cost, which the cost which is related with the inventories. Clear? Most important, and about this cost there is definitely question will come in your semester exams. So, be sure about this cost, and it will be used to solve the problems also. So, first one is purchase cost. Purchase cost you all might have understood, or by reading this purchase cost anyone can understand that the value of an item in its unit purchasing cost. Okay. That means the value, that means in simple words we can call it as the value of an item. Okay. So, I am telling you, it is also mentioned like CO, that is purchase cost or unit cost. Okay, it is also called as unit cost. The cost of an unit, the cost of a product, that is called as unit cost, CO. Then capital cost, it is the total cost. Obviously, capital cost means that is total cost needed to bring a project to a commercially partially state. Okay, sorry, commercially parallel state. That means we are doing a project, to bring that project in a commercially parallel state, the total cost which are involved in this total project, that cost is called as capital cost. Clear? So, third one is ordering cost. Ordering cost, that is, it is also called as procurement cost or replenishment cost, whether it is procured or it is replaced. So, both are coming under the ordering cost, that is CO. Actually, this is not CO, that is CC. Okay. This is CO. Okay, because this is needed in your when you will derive the economic order quantity, that is why I am telling. Then fourth one is inventory carrying cost, that is most important. We are talking about the inventories, and some costs are involved when we are talking about the inventory carrying, and though that inventory cost includes storage cost, handling cost, tax and insurances, cost of record keeping, loss due to breakage. These costs are totally involved in this inventory carrying cost. That means storage cost, that means the inventories are kept in stock in the storage. So, some costs are related with the storage. So, that is why those costs will be come under inventory carrying cost. Some cost are handling cost, that means when we are taking the semi finished product or finished product from the stock area to the to the inspection area or to the market, that should be handled with proper manner. Otherwise, there will be breakage or there will be damage of the product. So, that is why that should be handled properly, and that handling cost is also coming under inventory carrying cost, that is also important. And tax and insurance, that is also coming under the inventory carrying cost. And cost of record keeping, that means I told you in the objectives, our objective is to keep the record in proper manner, so that it will help to minimize the loss or to maximize the profit or to minimize the financial investment. So, that is why the record keeping cost, some costs are also involved in record keeping, and that record keeping cost is also coming under the inventory carrying cost. Then loss due to breakage. Okay. Suppose when we are transferring the raw material or finished product or any kind of inventories from one place to another, suppose a breakage of product has been carried out, then definitely that is a loss. Some small losses are also counted here, because that will be converted into a bigger one. Clear? So, that loss due to breakage is also coming under the inventory carrying cost. So, these are the cost which are involved in the inventory, that is purchase cost, capital cost, and ordering cost, and inventory carrying cost. And this inventory carrying cost, the symbol is CH. Clear? This is CC, and this is CO ordering cost, and CH, which is the inventory carrying cost. Clear? So, coming to the next slide, what are the different terminologies which are involved in this inventory control? Okay. So, there are some terminologies are there. First one is demand. I will definitely make you understand about this terminology, because you all should know what is the need of this terminologies, and how you will understand this, and what is the application of these terminologies. So, first one is demand. Demand you all can understand from this word demand. It is the number of items required per unit time. That means, if I will tell that our company's demand is 10,000 per year, that means in this year 10,000 products, 10,000 orders we have received. Okay. So, that is why that is the annual demand, that is also called as annual demand. When we are counting it per year, that is called as annual demand. If we will count it per month, then monthly demand, but in general it is also called as annual demand. That means the number of items required per year. Clear? So, that is called as demand, and we can represent that as D or A, capital A. Different notations are there in different books. Some but in general we will write it as T. Clear? Then order cycle. What is order cycle? The time period between two successive orders is called as order cycle. That means, suppose I am the company owner, I am receiving the order today and I am receiving the next order after 7 days. That means the time period between the two successive orders, that is called as order cycle. Clear? The time period between two successive orders. Okay. If it will be, if I am receiving the order today and next order will be tomorrow, then the time gap between two orders is 1 day. So, that is why the time order cycle is 1 day. If the order cycle is 7 days, then 1 week. Clear? If there is 1 month, then order cycle is 1 month. That is called as order cycle. Then coming to the lead time. Lead time is also most important. The length of the time placing an order and receipt of item is called as lead time. That means, if the order is placed today and receipt, the customer is placing order today and the customer is receiving the order after 1 month, then lead time is 1 month. Okay, that is called as lead time. That means order receipt, order placing and order receipt. Clear? The time gap between that placing and receipt is called as lead time. Okay. Then safety stock, it is also called as buffer stock or minimum stock. That means buffer stock or minimum stock, what do you understand by this? That means we are always putting some backup. Clear? That means minimum stock means below that particular stock we never keep the product. That means a particular line is there or a particular quantity is there beyond which we always put that product. Okay, that is called as minimum quantity. Suppose the minimum quantity is 100. That means we will never decrease the quantity below the 100. That is called as buffer. That is called as minimum stock. That is safety stock. Okay, and the company is always keeping the safety stock for the for the profit. Then reorder label, it is the point at which the replenishment action is initiated. Suppose at a particular point we need to replenish or replace or procure the product at a particular point. A particular point is there and that particular point is called as reorder label. Okay, that particular point is called as reorder label. And reorder quantity, this is the quantity of material to be ordered at the reorder label. That means when we understand, yes, it is the point at which the replenishment or replacement or procurement will be takes place, then that quantity is called as reorder quantity and that point is called as reorder label. The point means after some days or after some weeks or after some months the reorder replenishment will be taken place, and the quantity the amount of that order of material is called as reorder quantity. Okay, reorder label and reorder quantity, these are most important while you will solve the problems, because the question will be asked like this: what is the reorder quantity, what is the value of reorder quantity, and what is the value of total cost, what is the value of inventory carrying cost. So, these kind of questions will definitely come in your exams, but you all should understand these terminologies and you all have to remember what is the demand and what is order cycle, what is lead time, what is safety stock and what is reorder label and reorder quantities. These are the basic terminologies of this inventory control chapter, and later we will understand from this content I am telling you I told you about the classification of inventories, objectives, benefits, and what are the different costs which are associated with this inventory, and also terminologies I told you. And the next class I will explain the economic order quantity for basic model, because in your syllabus only basic model is there. I will explain and I will derive, and I will tell you the what are the assumptions will be carried out to derive the economic order quantity, that is called as EOQ. That is actually that is most important part of this inventory control chapter, from which the problems will come, and I will derive that EOQ, and I will derive the value of total cost in the next class. And last one is ABC analysis. We will discuss about that ABC analysis in the next chapter. Until then, goodbye, take care, thank you.